Hello and welcome to our video on mobile app development. In today's digital world, almost everyone uses a smartphone or tablet. And with the rise of mobile devices, mobile app development has become an integral part of the tech industry. Mobile app development refers to the process of designing, creating, and deploying mobile applications that run on mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Mobile apps can be used for a variety of purposes, from entertainment to productivity, and from communication to e-commerce. Mobile app development is a constantly evolving field, with new technologies and frameworks being developed all the time. There are two main platforms for mobile app development: iOS, which is the operating system for Apple's devices, and Android, which is the operating system for a wide range of smartphones and tablets. To create mobile apps, developers use programming languages and frameworks such as Swift, Objective-C, Java, and Kotlin. They also use integrated development environments, IDEs, such as Xcode and Android Studio, which provide tools for designing, coding, and testing mobile apps. Mobile app development is a complex process that involves several stages, including app ideation, wireframing, prototyping, development, testing, and deployment. Each stage requires specific skills and knowledge, and developers need to be proficient in a range of technologies and frameworks to create high-quality mobile apps. In today's video, we will take you through the steps involved in learning mobile app development, including choosing your platform, learning programming languages and frameworks, understanding app architecture, getting familiar with app development tools, building your first app, testing and debugging your app, publishing your app, and continuously learning and improving your skills. So, whether you're a beginner looking to get started in mobile app development or an experienced developer looking to improve your skills, this video will provide you with a comprehensive overview of mobile app development and the steps involved in becoming a successful mobile app developer. So, stay tuned for our next video on how to learn mobile app development. Thank you for watching.